Cause if you do, then here it comes. We got the beat to bang your brains and last from here to kingdom come. You all should never crumble, don't worry about the crumbs. Just ask your pops and mom if the suit can give you some of that type of music. Make you feel your troubles disappear. 1 minute you're in the mud, the next minute you're clear. Gonna play you a song with my orchestra. Yeah, I hope the one we've done is alright. Cause if it is, just cite the noise for your eyes. Coming untied, noise for your eyes, y'all, I'm coming untied. Noise for your eyes, untied. Give us the right to lift your eye. Yeah, get your senses overtaken when the left is unforsaken. That's how we make it noise for your eyes. Eliminate the faking classic, people start breaking. That's how we make it noise for your eyes. Senses overtaken when the left is unforsaken. That's how we make it noise for your eyes. Eliminate the faking classic, people start breaking. That's how we make it noise for your eyes. It's that ooh-ah bizarre Earthsuit repertoire. What you see is what you get, and what you get is fairly raw. For all you people sick of blah blah, say this the big stuff. Who you think you are is your alternative option. Come take a taste, get lost enough, continue on my subharmonic space. By the time you find your way, you've already been laced with the water from the well that's never dry. Rest in case of that noise operator, Mr. Generator. Visuals are sonically a higher innovator. For the songs that we write, we search for sound and for sight. We'll save the talk for later, be the illustrator. Let's call the noise for your eyes. Coming untied, noise for your eyes, y'all, I'm coming untied. Noise for your eyes, untied. Give us the right to lift your eye. Now get your senses overtaken, run that left and forsaken. That's how we make it noise for your eyes. Eliminate the faking classic, people start breaking. That's how we make it noise for your eyes. Senses overtaken, run that left and forsaken. That's how we make it noise for your eyes. Eliminate the faking classic, people start breaking. That's how we make it noise for your eyes. Set your rising high. The sound that we've been bringing's never ever been lo-fi. If you see us coming, boy, just reach up for the sky. Reach up for the sky. We'll bring that noise for your eyes. Coming untied, noise for your eyes. I think